Welcome again to SliiceXR. This is Catherine Oakes, your host. Today we are going to speak about what is Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is a concept first put out by Tim Berners-Lee, who is the inventor of the World Wide Web. Then the concept was evolved by Gavin Wood, the co-founder of Ethereum. The decentralized dream of the underpinning Web 3.0 is not new. In fact, ideas like Web 3.0 have gone through many of the names since the inception of the Internet. It may be surprising to many that Web 3.0 is more of a collection of political concepts than it is technological. It is actually based on an architecture of distributed blockchain applications, AI technologies, and XR hardware. However, anonymous, decentralized computing encrypted across multiple computers on the public record and experienced virtually is a social choice at heart. Now let's talk about computer politics. Movements like open source in the 1990s, net neutrality in the 2010s, and now Web 3.0 are all organized around the same thing: decentralization, freedom of communication, open collaboration, and privacy protection. Open collaboration and open source are technological innovations and production ideas that rely on philanthropic participants without commercial allegiance who interact to create a product made available to contributors and non-contributors alike. Net neutrality is a preemptive measure to prevent big corporations and big tech in particular, or political bodies from controlling data or information. In 2014, former President Obama issued the following statement, and I'm going to read this for you. An open internet is essential to the American economy and increasingly to our very way of life. By lowering the cost of launching a new idea, igniting new political movements, and bringing communities closer together, it has been one of the most significant democratizing influencers the world has ever known. Net neutrality has been built into the fabric of the Internet since its creation. But it is also a principle that we cannot take for granted. We cannot allow ISPs to restrict the best access or to pick winners and losers in the online marketplace for services and ideas. That is why today I am asking the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, to answer the call of almost 4 million public comments and implement the strongest possible rules to protect net neutrality. Detractors of Web 3.0 cite the potential for the proliferation of harmful content in an environment of low moderation. Liam Proven, the journalist for the Register, concludes that Web 3.0 is a myth, a fairy story. Bloomberg states that the ideas surrounding the Metaverse and the Web 3.0 are just hazy. So how about Web 3.0 versus Metaverse? How is Web 3.0 different from the Metaverse? We get this question a lot. In a way, they are not really different. Instead, they are extensions of the same idea. Both of these human concepts stem from philosophy and not physics. Web 3.0 is rooted in hardware like processors, VR lenses, displays, and IoT, and in software like code, data, and AI. Both Web 3.0 and the Metaverse come from the same source: computers. However, the Metaverse describes how users interact with software or applications delivered through evolving display technologies like 3D headsets. Web 3.0 is used to express technologies and data that no one owns. It is editable and viewable by the owner and is made anonymous by tokens on the blockchain. So what does this all mean for your business? Really, for businesses, it can mean everything or nothing. The meanderings of computer scientists are important for civilization. But in most cases, these ideas have minimal bearing on your core product. If you are in finance, the future of global currencies and transactions that will be recorded on the blockchain should be high on your list of concerns. However, if you are in consumer goods, the practical application of Web 3.0 and the Metaverse are related to your brand and consumer tracking data. Do your consumers think that shopping, travel, work, education should be experienced in a digital format, or that the blockchain is the ultimate form of record keeping and commerce? In that case, you should build a presence on Meta Horizons or in Decentraland. Furthermore, you should offer transactions in Ethereum or Bitcoin. Now, how do you know if your target market is a Web 3.0 market? Before we at SliiceXR can recommend the right Metaverse project for you, we start with a deep dive into your brand and your customer profile. Our signature brainstorm session is designed to move you past the script that you have been using for years. So how does it work? We lead you through a series of creative and fun exercises to get us to the heart of what your customers think and what they want. From that interview, we write and design your brand script, your customer avatar, and your brand guidelines. And these deliverables become the immersive narrative of your company's Metaverse experience. And don't go it alone. Let us help you establish a solid presence in the Metaverse before your competitors. Now is the time to strategize and plan. Find out more information on our website at SliiceXR.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel as we post videos every week with the goal to educate you so you can make informed decisions. Thank you again for watching and see you next time.